Hello and what's up everyone. I'm here with an amazing new Bing Ads restoration case study. For those who don't know, we are a Google partner company based in UAE and we provide different solutions including Bing Ads restoration, Bing Ads account management, Google Ads suspensions, Ads distributions, Google Ads management, Google Merchant Center distributions, Google Merchant Center management, website solutions, WordPress, Shopify, and complete SEO solutions. So, in case if you need either of the services, you are more than welcome to visit our website through the link in the description, and we will love to work with you as a team. So now this is our teamwork. So credits to the team who worked hard to get this Bing Ads account restored. So as part of our renewal process, we got a good review as well from the client, and the client had their Google Ads account suspended as well, which we restored, and then they worked for Bing Ads as well. So this is the client website, and this website is different from the Google Ads. So the policies and compliances are different for Google Ads and Bing Ads. So this is a website for which they had issues for Bing Ads. Now I'm going to show you the suspension and then how we were able to restore. So this is the suspension account error over here, and I will also show you the review as well, which we got from the client. So you can see over here, violation of Agrios policy. You can see over here, Oliver. You can see the name, and you can see even from the review as well. Help from Microsoft Advertising. During our routine check, our automated systems detected content in your manager account is in violation of Microsoft Advertising Agrios policy. Agrios violation includes errors regarding obfuscation of advertiser or pair identity, use of service to facilitate malicious software, counterfeit, malicious, dangerous content. There are many reasons why your account can be suspended on Bing Ads, and Agrios violation is kind of a serious violation where the Google, Microsoft, Bing team do not think that this may be the right website to show their ads, or they think risky, they think locking. Could be many of the reasons mentioned over here, or this is a mostly generic email, but inside Audits tell there could be reasons as well, and the reason have a very few reason could be due to your ad copy, but majorly due to your website. So once kind of these pages are, what we do is we start communicating with the Bing Ads team, plus we start doing the website audit. So I'm going to show you those as well. So let's start from the first audit. This was one of the first audit which we did on the website. We found some broker links which we needed to be fixed. There were ample of broker links on the website. They were needed to be fixed around, so we sorted around. Some internal links needed in optimization, sorted around. Website optimization was also being recommended due to poor website speed. We you can see over here as well, and the website homepage has high egregious triggers. For instance, business identity is inconsistent. The fact says the company is based in the UK, USA, but the legal notice and privacy policy says list a Cameroon company. So you can see how deeply we were looking around on these things. So you can see, so where are you from? Our company is based in the United Kingdom and the United States, but and other disclosure they says that we are from Cameroon. So you can see this could be the reason. Multiple phone numbers appears, US one, a Cameroon one, which do not match. You see around over here the US one. This looks like misrepresentation. This is again done by the team. So you can see multiple phone numbers running on the same website. Contradictory refund policy. Fact page says 14 days satisfied or unrefunded, no question asked. Refund policy, only defective items are refundable. Another line, unopened items CA no and be returned within 30 days. So you can see conflicting, misleading information, multiple pages displaying different policies. So is another reason, and even sorting around these issues could help you in improving your brand in the eyes of the customer. So eventually they help in sorting around those things as well. Unrealistic shipping and fulfillment statements. Delivery 70 to 21 days. If not received within 60 days, you will be fully refunded and can keep the product. So you can see this is a 60 days, a huge time margin, huge big, and hosting platform. Privacy policy page at the site is hosted on Shopify, but the legal page shows that the website is hosted on GoDaddy. Oh, we do provide web hosting solutions as well. So in case if you need that, we are more than welcome to hire as well. So you can see how deeply the team analyzed small to small details for compliance, return, refund policy page. These are the further things. Some about us page needs and data, shipping page needs and data, terms of service page needs and data, return exchange policy needs and data, contact us page needs and data, cookie policy, cookie consent policy, payment security policy, fact page, I mean, so many things were needed to be sorted out. Important Facebook disclaimer placement was not over here. You can see around over here the Facebook disclaimer not part of Facebook is acceptable only if you run ads on Facebook. But in the footer, it looks misread and unrelated to your actual website because they were not running on the Facebook. They were running primarily on Bing ads. So we could thought that this could cause a issue. And if you're sorry, and if you are adding a statement like this, so then we should add something like Facebook, Bing, Google all combined. I'm also going to show you another audit done by the team, and in this you may see some small further errors, and some errors were the same, were being sorted around, and these were things which left it, so they sorted it out. So there were multiple things which were sorted, and again it took us a lot of time. I'm going to show you a few of the important chat communication. Plus, there was ample of communication and discussion done with the team, through the client, in the WhatsApp groups of our with the client. You can see in this case, I will forward the form with our internal team for a manual review. Give you 5 days to 7 days. Okay, we also had one field review as well. So you can see, thank you so much. I will now forward the account for another review. You can see the last review was failed. Just to set the right expectation, this review usually takes 5 to 7 business. You have to be patient. This is all after by the compliance, and some clients we had to take multiple twice reviews. That said, I will be keeping a close eye on it and working with our team to make sure it stays on track and take an opportunity to move things further. Another one over here, you can see, thank you all for this to internal review for a manual review, just to set you okay. This is for the communication. Another communication, and another done was this is Vexa with Microsoft Advertising. I'm sending this email to give you an update regarding the review request we have submitted to manually review your account. Please take note that your request is making good progress. I will make sure to follow up on you immediately for any available updates. In the meantime, please feel free to respond to this email should you have any clarification. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Another thing now, another email after we got from Bing, and now this is an interesting email from Bing. And if you look around on this Bing email, the same Vexa which replied over here, now over here with another mail from Bing. Here we see she says that, hi, this is Vexa with Microsoft Advertising. As part of our commitment to safety and quality, we have reviewed the decision to suspend your account and determine it was made in error. We have removed the suspension. Congratulations, the client has to, that they got their Bing suspension removed. Your Bing ads account is now live and eligible to serve in markets targeted where your content is compliant with the policy. We apologize for any inconvenience this has caused you or your business. About Performance Max campaign, Performance Max is an asset focused campaign. Okay, she told about this. So this is another Bing ads case study. Now I'm going to show you the review as well, because the client gave us a very good review, so which is why I wanted to add you on. So this is our solution CLC based in Dubai, and this is the recent review. The client also worked on their Google Ads suspension as well, so which is why you may see another review as well. So this is for the Google Ads review, which was on the 19th of October, and today 20 hours before, we got a review for Microsoft Bing Ads account reactivated. My Microsoft Bing Ads account was suspended right at the creation. It was a disturbing situation, considering that prior to this my Google Ads account was also suspended. I contacted Ali and his team, and they did a fantastic job. Not only my Google Ads account was restored a couple of days ago, but my Bing Ads account or Microsoft Ads account has also been reactivated after careful analysis and efficient corrective actions. If you are facing ads account suspension with Google Ads or Microsoft Ads or Bing Ads, RSweb still has all the expertise to deal with your issue. Thank you. Do not hesitate to contact Ali and his team. So thank you for these wonderful words regarding your Bing Ads account restoration. I'm glad that your Bing Ads account is restored, and me and my team was happy to help you. So just for a revision, if any one of you got their Bing Ads account, Google Ads account disapproved, suspended, Google Merchant Center account disapproved, Google Business Profile account disapproved, suspended, we can help you. We can also help with Google Ads, Meta Ads, Bing Ads, Google Business Profile accounts creation, setup, audit, optimization. We provide complete management solutions. Also, we provide complete website solutions as well, including Shopify, WordPress. So in case if you need either of the services, just click on the link in the description, and we offer a variety of range as a digital marketing Google partner company. So you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. So once again, thank you for another amazing Bing Ads restoration case study. I'm glad that we were able to help the client. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to working with all of you. Take care and bye-bye.